Brian back here with an update on Myria. All right, let's take a look at a couple things here. All right, I want to get some support and resistance areas dead right here. Okay, so we know what to look for here. All right, I want these right where I need them to be. Okay, that one should be there. All right, you got one. All kinds of areas through here, actually. Kind of amazing. All these wicks, but I look for closed candles, for your support and your resistance areas, not the wicks. We can pull that down maybe a hair, right about right there. Okay. All right, now let's take a look at a few things here. All right, obviously Myria has, we had a nice run up in this thing. Okay, right from the bottom. Was it here, right there? It ran up almost a 10x. Okay, you had 5 waves up in here. If you go through and take a look here, you can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then after that, you usually have an ABC pattern in here. Okay, which let's take a look here. See if we can find this. Okay, a lot of zigzag action in here, tons of it, which I don't like. I don't like trying to measure that stuff out. That could possibly be it. Let's see, let's take it up to the highest. 50% retracement. Nah, I don't really see an ABC in here, okay? Maybe 5 waves down. Maybe that was more like it here. All right, now if we take a Fibonacci on here and take a look and see about a pullback area, from your swing low to your swing high, right about there. Okay, this thing has violated that 786. All right, if you were looking for a bounce area, this is the area you'd be looking for it for. Okay, you don't want to see it lose 0.00898. That area there you don't want to see it lose that. Okay, we're going to fatten that up a little bit so it's more obvious that is an area we don't want to lose. All right, let's close. Make a couple of these a little bit smaller here. Right, there we go. Okay, so very crucial area here. You can see how our Fibonacci lines, they almost match up with all of our support and resistance lines here. Pretty close. 618 does. 702 is very close. Just kind of looking to see if, because that's usually where you get your bounces. Anywhere from the 618 to the 786. Okay, that's normally your bounce area. All right, so I would expect it to hold on here. Now let's take a look at some RSIs and see where we're at here. All right, and if you were going down through here, you would have a resistance line right about there. Okay, got 2 touches on that one. It's going to come up and hit it again here. It's just a matter if it breaks it or not. We got the 4-hour turning bullish. It's at a 42.32. Turning right up here. Look at this thing. Curving it right up. Okay, so we got a bullish 4-hour. The 8-hour is at a 23 and a 28. Getting into that oversold area down here, okay? Your oversold area is right around 30, okay? So getting it down there, right? We're at a 42 on the bottom. The 12-hour is at a 24 and a 27. All right, it's at a 42 on the bottom. It's just on the verge of going either way here, okay? Your daily is reset and on the bottom. 1.7 and a 5.5. That's your big one, okay? You can see that daily. This is the regular RSI. We are down to this level right there, okay? So it's been a little bit since it's been down there. Alright, so we've had a decent pullback here. See, this looks more like an ABC right there. That looks like an ABC in the in there. Alright, right here. Looks like an A, B, C. All right, right on the RSI. So we'll see what happens here, but I'm expecting it to hold this area. All right, as far as the weekly goes, the weekly at 81 and 90. The weekly is actually bearish. We don't have much of a weekly, but it is there. Okay. Now with that daily at the bottom, I would expect a bounce to happen here. Not financial advice, and guys, nothing is guaranteed. Okay, you can only look at what it's showing you and give it your best go here. Okay, but I'm expecting some kind of push here. All right, we have a green candle started on that daily, the 12-hour green candle, 8-hour green, and the 4-hour is also starting green. The 1 hour, it's also starting green also. So definitely keep an eye on this stuff, okay? That first area to break that would confirm any kind of move up here would be about right there at 0.0108. Okay, if we break that, that is a very, very good sign. Then you want to look up here at the 0.011694, and then of course if we break that, then we're in business here. Then this thing's really going to start moving. All right, so I think we found a bottom here. It has to hold the 0.0090. All right, you don't want to lose that. This thing does not want to lose that. If it would lose it, it's coming down to 0.008174. That would be the next level down right here. Okay, so we definitely want to hold that area. As long as we hold that, I believe these RSIs can flip around and then we get a move out of here. If I was looking for a buy on this thing, quite honestly, not financial advice, I have to say that stuff. I would have been looking to buy right around that 786. That's like your perfect entry point, and it got right to that 786. It's just bouncing around in there, really. Just kind of playing games here. But that's usually the area you get a bounce, guys. So we are right at it looks like the maximum pullback here. If it, like I said, if it loses the 0.0091, then it's doing something totally different. It's coming lower, okay? But as long as it holds that area, this thing should be heading up. So watch for that first area to break at 0.0107. And then you got right here at 0.0117, 116, and then the next one up is 0.0127. All right, we get up there and we could really start moving here. So keep your eye on Myria. This thing is far from dead. All right, it did a 10x. You're going to get pullbacks. All right, that's just the way it happens. All right, this one ran up. You got a pullback. Where did it bounce at? All right, from the swing low to the swing high. This one ended up bouncing right around the 50% range, okay, and went higher. We have a deeper correction here, obviously. That's your fifth wave. Normally you have an ABC, and then you start another 5 waves up in a bullish market here. So obviously this on the daily, it's something I don't want to see, is diminishing volume. Okay, you can see that here too. You got volume is definitely heading down, so need to see a volume spike here. Something like this over here would definitely get it moving. Okay, not much volume at all. All right, the last couple days 53 million. Then you had a red candle there for 69 million. Okay, so watching for this area to hold. I told you your resistance area is above. Keep an eye on them. If we can get out of this, I would say if we can break this 0.0117, that's going to really get this thing moving. Okay, that's a big one to break. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. I have it from 99 cents a month up to the $14.99 trading lessons, 8 hours of videos, level 3 membership. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, guys.